Single bond of carbon atom. The single bond in which the mutual sharing between two atoms are called the single bond, and it denoted by the single line. And the sharing of electron is called the covalent bond. The electron is present in the valence shell atom of unpaired and vacant orbital. The two atoms close to each other and the sharing of one by one electron and made a single covalent bond. For example, hydrogen atom. The two hydrogen atoms close to each other of valence shell and share the electron. Then a molecule H2O. Now the hydrogen atom are the unstable atom because it is the convert as a stable the share of electron another hydrogen atom add it the stable molecules. The atoms are unstable of valence shell, but it is electron sharing between two atoms and combine to each other and then made a molecules and the atom are stable. The double covalent bond. Sharing of two electrons pair are called double covalent bond. It is denoted by the double line and the valence shell of the atom are sharing the other atoms that donate the electrons of two electrons are called double covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. Sharing of three electrons pair and the valence shell of orbital are shared to each other the three electrons to each other and made a covalent bond. Now acyl compound. Acyl compounds are the general formula of R single bond CO single bond L mean ligands. Although many acyl compounds exist, they are have similar properties and undergo similar reaction. Most of them, for example, undergo the addition of elimination reaction added with the leaving group L is replaced with another. Now the mechanism in which the L is a ligand and the nucleophile attack the carbon because the carbon are partial positive charge. Now it is the addition reaction, the first step in which the nucleophile attack the carbon and it attach an intermediate form, but the double bond of oxygen are shifted as a electron in oxygen. But in the second step, the oxygen lone pair are shifted the carbon, then the leaving group of ligands L are replaced. The mechanism are complete. It is the also called the elimination reaction. Now it is of different properties are the acidic basicity and boiling points in which the other example of amides in which the high boiling point because the oxygen atom are attached the hydrogen and nitrogen are partially positive attach the hydrogen. It is the reason that the electrons are completely valence and the high boiling point in which the molecules. Now under the metal carbene complex. Metal carbene complex or other name is the alkylenes complex compound. Metal carbene complex are based of the ligand oxidation state of metal and the nature of substitution. Substituent are like an X and Y denoted by the carbon. There are two types and two types are Fischer carbene and Schoch carbene. in which difference between the oxidation state of transition metal atom as compare is equal to positive 2 या less than 2, and the feature carbene in which the sigma donate to the carbon atom to metal, and the pi acceptor ligand attach the metal atom, and the like as example of the ligands carbonyl ammonia cyanide substitution ligand pi donor substitution pi donor ligands. For example, OR is a pi ligands, and feature carbene are at 18 electrons rule follow. Shock carbene oxidation state of transition metal atom 3 positive and it above oxidation state, and it is a simple to carbon atom donate the sigma bond, and it is the pi acceptor ligand. Substitution ligand are simple like as alkyl group. It is follow the 18 electron rules, and the example of vanadium and some example are below. And it is the structure of the carbene in which the two electrons in we can find out the spin of electron between metal and carbon. Now the if the electrons are spin as clockwise and anti-clockwise, then we find out the spin s is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. Now calculate the simplest 2s plus 1 is equal to spin or singlet carbene, because the two electrons are metal and carbon are opposite spin to cancel each other's spin. The second diagram in which the spin is are the carbon d electrons are the same spin plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 plus s is equal to 1. It is called also called a triplet carbene, in which the triplet carbene are the carbon atoms are shear to the electron metal and carbon or d orbital are 1 1 share, and it is also covalent bond. Now other in which the difference between singlet feature carbene follows and triplet shock carbene followed by reaction. Now we discuss about singlet feature carbenes. Singlet feature carbene in which the electron are opposite spin, but the carbon are donate the electron to metal and is also a sigma donor, but the d orbital of metal are share the vacant orbital of carbon, and metal attach the ligand or pi acceptor ligand. L ligands of metal are pi acceptor ligand. Carbon attached substitute by the pi donor ligand. The metal donate the electron pair to carbon d electrons and the back bonding of pi and pi acceptor. The resonance are produced by the pi and pi donor of carbon substituent and the metal pi acceptor. The carbon are the sigma charge of metal. The carbon also as a electron activity decrease and metal electron activity increase. Carbon act as a electrophile and nucleophile attack of the carbon and metal, not a metal. Now we discuss about the triplet shock carbene, in which the electron of one electron of metal and one electron of carbon are shared to each other as a covalent bond and sigma donor, but other as the one electron of carbon one electron of metal d orbital are share as a covalent. Metal attach the simplest ligand, carbon attach the substitution by the simplest. The electrons are electric, the resonance are not produced. carbon are the nucleophilic and the electron activity increase toward the carbon atom. The now metal carbene, another name is a alkylidene complex. The basic introduction of metal carbene. The transition metal carbene complex are the organometallic compound with triplet bond between carbon and transition metal. This triplet bond consists of a sigma and two pi bond. The highest occupied molecular orbital of the carbene ligand interact to the lower unoccupied molecular orbital of the metal create the sigma bond. The two pi bond are toward when the two high occupied molecular orbital of the metal back bonding and back donate of lower unoccupied molecular orbital of carbene. It is also as a fundamental research, but the metal and carbon are triplet bond are shorter than the metal and carbon of single bond. Now we it is a combination of one sigma donor bonding and two carbon atom of vacant d orbital of metal and two pi acceptor bond form back bonding interaction. What are the carbene? The carbon is atomic number 6 and the electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p. Now we discuss the electron in which the carbene. The s electron as shown the lone pair, but the one electron as metal donate as a pi and other as a s orbital is sigma to metal, but s orbital in which one electron are bonding already as a alkyl group R, but second s orbital but second s p orbital in which the pi bonding of metal. Now we discuss the orbital diagram, but in which the two electrons show as the lone pair, one electron as unpaired electron, other px, py, pz are unvacant orbital of the carbene. The spin we can find out the spin is s is equal to 1 over 2. The overall we can find the possibility of 2. It is also called doublet carbene. Now other now another possibility of configuration we can discuss the C carbon 6 atomic number that is electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p 6. The excited the one electron excited to the p orbital. The s orbital are the sigma bond the alkyl group of R. The other p orbital of the as metal donate a sigma bond and other as metal donate remaining two electron donate the as a metal pi bond. Now we find the spin of the carbon atoms, also called this is a quartet carbene. It is a orbital diagram in which the one one electron are possible, but the p z p x and py are empty and vacant orbital. Now we discuss about the difference between the doublet feature carbene and quartet shock carbene. In which the carbon two electrons are donate the metal atom as a sigma and pi back bonding. The one electron of d orbital of metal and one electron of carbon d orbital are shared as a covalent bond, but the second filled orbital of the metal atom are shared totally of vacant orbital of carbon. It is also as a back bonding at pi acceptor ligand. The metal d orbital are filled to donate the carbon d orbital vacant and pi back bonding. Half filled of metal and carbon of d electron are the sharing of electron and made a pi bond. Doublet carbene is a 2 electron donate it sp lone pair and formed a additional covalent pi bond. And doublet feature carbene in which 3 electron as a covalent bond and the 4 electron as a ionic bond. Quartet shock carbene we can discuss, in which the carbon d electrons are carbon p electrons are 1 are in possible of orbital, but the metal orbital in which the d orbital or 1 electron are possible, but are sharing of electron as the sigma donor atom, but other 2 electrons as a pi bond. It is a half filled of metal and carbon atom. Half filled of metal and carbon d orbital are sharing of electron by the d orbital overlapping the 3 electron as act as a covalent bond, but in which the 6 electron act as a ionic bond.